I'm gonna be traveling a lot over the holidays and I refuse to pack my 5-pound makeup bag. So I'm actually going to just use 5 products for the entirety of the holidays. This is a look I pulled off in like 5 minutes with 5 products. It's a 2-sided brush. I'm going to do a little bit of a contour on the lips like I always do. You know we overline. Simple lip, I'm actually really happy with that. I always put my blush directly under my eye. I'm a club kid at heart. If you know, you know. This smells delicious. Okay, now we need to add the highlighter. Like this is perfect for LA. It's kind of sun-kissed. Really natural. Maybe I'll be the most natural looking one in LA. No hate. Oh. I also love a lot of highlighter. Look, that's so nice. And that's what I like. I hate feeling like I'm wearing so much makeup. And this is actually only 4 things. I'm so happy about that. I'm saving so much space in my bags.